Welcome. Today I'm going to walk you very quickly through how to install Espanso, which is my snippet tool, because I want a cross-platform one, right? Linux, Mac OS, well, it's the only two because iPad OS doesn't do it. How to install it on Fedora, because it doesn't come, especially if you're in Wayland, you can't just install it because it's just not going to work. It's not under Wayland, it's under X sessions, so you need to do it yourself. It'll be a quick one today, but if you want to support the channel, become a member, curtismchale.ca/membership, take a course, curtismchale.ca/education. Let's dive in and look at how to do this. And honestly, we're really just going to follow their instructions, right? So this is my first app I built from source. And the first thing you need to do is run sudo dnf right there. Install development tools, get all those installed. That's it. Espanso applies on cargo make. So we're going to install cargo make as well. Make sure we get that installed. And then really that's it. We clone it. We change into the directory, we cargo make profile release, we run it, takes a little bit. It's not too bad, but that's it, just run it, and then it's running essentially. We need to do, again, a few things. We need to make sure, again, here, follow our instructions, set cap, understand the security stuff. We need to register our service and Espanso start. And now Espanso starts up every time for me. I'll admit there's probably one issue with it where occasionally Espanso stops running on me. It just stops running. That's it. And the best way I found to make it run again is just to reparse the file. So if we look at our terminal, right? I come back to my screen share, and where's terminal? So let's open up a new one, and if I go to cd/.config Espanso nvim dot. So just coming in here and really changing any part of my config, right? Going into my match files and changing my match. All right, I can show you my affiliate link. It doesn't really matter, right? So I come in here and just literally even did that. So I want to make sure this is lined up again. Save, and you can't see it, but on my secondary monitor down there, it says Espanso configuration reloaded. That's it. That's all I found I have to do. And then I can just get right back into it. Espanso keeps running, and I have it tied to, I guess the other thing I've done, if we go back up to nvim dot, go to my config default. You can see right here, I changed my search shortcut to all control space. So if I hit that, you see, right, we opened it up, and I could search for whatever I wanted in there. That's it. Compile it from source. The directions are there. You'll find the directions in the show notes, find the directions in the blog post where I actually walk through them. And that's it. It's pretty easy to install. It was not, certainly I went into it wondering, hey, can I even compile this for Fedora? Is this going to be a big problem? And it just was a few minutes of my time, and it compiled, and it works just fine. That's it. If you like the video, thumbs up below, subscribe, hit the bell, that YouTube nonsense. Best is to become a member, curtismchale.ca/membership, or take a course, curtismchale.ca/education. Have an awesome day.